Welcome to CX Packing Machine. Today, we are showcasing an automatic liquid filling and capping production line. This integrated solution combines an automatic liquid filling machine with a four-wheel capping machine, creating a smooth and reliable packaging process from bottle feeding, filling, and capping to finished product output. The line is suitable for a wide variety of bottle shapes, sizes, and packaging requirements. It can be used for many liquid, cream, and semi-liquid products across different industries. Typical applications include shampoo, body wash, hand soap, lotion, cream, cosmetic products, juice, sauce, edible oil, cleaning chemicals. CX Packing Machine, your trusted partner for packaging solutions.